Hi guys, what about you in this video? I'm talking about best trading guide. If you learn more, you can earn more easily. Okay, just to learn more about trading, then you earn more. Okay, you can just choose your browser, then search best trading guide 2020. First of all, website Amazon. It's very helpful for you. Okay. Amazon means biggest step trading for beginners 2020 edition quick start guide maximum profit and build passive income for living. Learn about the best strategies, tools, chart, physiology and risk management. Day trading 2020 edition trading for beginners. Build passive income for a living. Learn more strategies. You can check this here is Amazon talking about stock. Okay, uh, it's one a book. You can, if you interest buying book, it's paid, not free, then you buy it. Okay, otherwise skip it. Trading for living, day trading guide, to stock recommendation Tuesday, day trading guide for day. You can check this. Okay, I'll open it. Here are so many websites of the economics time. Day trading guide to stock recommendation for Tuesday, etmarkets.com, Amit Trivedi, yes securities, mid cap 100 and small cap 100 indicates trade within a narrow range, thereby lacking required momentum on either side. with with no respective in the recent past and in emerging market index continue to southward and sideways journey at a 52-week lower Dow Jones. However, within in emerging market MSCI India index holding ground on compared with the major yen countries like Nifty biggest one of biggest Nifty registered positive close for the fifth season and managed the surprise period which high. Nifty revisit its 25-day range since February. Multiple pullback rallies still near the 25-day average. Follow-up action needs to be closely watch out. Sustains add up 60,000, 68,000. If Intel to gain further momentum on upside. On the sectoral front, metal and energy index snapped. The recent earnings streak while IT index was holding ground. Bank Nifty outperformed the benchmark index, however, it ended below its prior week's high. Mid cap 100, small cap 100 indicates trading within narrow. Okay,